Okay, I think we should start. Good morning, everybody. My name is Clemens Fuest. I'm the president of the IFO Institute for Economic Research, and it's a real pleasure to see you all here and to welcome you to our Munich Security Conference side event. I'm especially glad you made it on this morning despite airline strikes and other obstacles. The title of our event is Paving the Way for Tech Disruption, How to Rethink Industrial Policy. And I suppose we couldn't be more timely, really. Just yesterday, as many of you know, EU leaders gathered in Belgium to discuss how to boost Europe's competitiveness. What was their conclusion? Well, it depends on who you ask. One headline read, EU leaders vow to accelerate single markets struggling to compete with the US and China. Meanwhile, Italy, Germany and Belgium produced a non-paper calling for various things, simplification, less bureaucracy, a revision of CBAM and other things. Emmanuel Macron declared Europe must act no later than June and there should be no taboos. When Emmanuel says no taboos, what he means is Eurobonds. And I'm sure we'll eventually find a way to spend this money. And then Ursula von der Leyen, of course, came and she announced a Buy European Act, which Friedrich Merz promptly vetoed. So if there's a clear message here, it's that clarity seems to be optional. Fortunately, that leaves us plenty of room for fruitful discussion, where we hope to figure out what, in the end, should be done and what should not be done. In just a moment, I'll hand over to my colleague Oliver Falk. He's the head of our research center on the economics of innovation and digital transformation, and he will give a short introduction on industrial policy and related issues. And after that, we'll move into our panel discussion. We are especially honored to have our distinguished panelists, which will be introduced in a minute, and our equally distinguished moderator, Maithri Sitharaman, who will guide today's conversation. Many of you know her. She's a London-based international journalist, founder and editor of The Chief Brief, and a highly appreciated and long-time friend and partner of IFO. So without further ado, Oliver, the floor is yours. Thank you.